Turn on our AutoCAD. Hello, AutoCAD, wake up. We're waking up our AutoCAD. We're gonna open stuff. Open, and let's take a look at the things we got going. Cancel, don't open up that fast. Okay, let's close off where we've come from because now we are in module 7. We're gonna do layers and hatching. We're gonna learn about layers in AutoCAD. We're gonna create parallel geometric entities, also known as offsets. We did that last week too. We did offsets where we can control and send things off. For the videos, we'll take a look at these today. We have geometric exercises, 15 favorite AutoCAD tricks and tips, AutoCAD hatch patterns, and everything you need to know about layers in case you missed this lecture. And then our entertainment is architecture. If you're going to go forward and become a 4-year, 5-year degree architecture student, this is what you can expect. Read. Maybe we'll get to object entities. That's talking about our first project, which will be a floor plan. It's scheduled for next week. What are layers? This is what we want to talk about. Layers to those parts. And you would open it up by accessing here is the AutoCAD file download and open. See what we're checking the links actually. And we're going to open that with our AutoCAD launcher. And what you see before you is an assembly drawing. It's an older one. That's why you get a lot of this proxy information. But what we're going to do is we're going to work with this layer properties after the lecture and talk about how you make layers. And we're going to include them in here. And we're going to make all the layers that are mentioned on that little piece of paper in the front. As you can see, these are individual entities that we're going to make. And this is an assembly drawing. So everything you need here, this is like something you get as an instruction manual. The schematics, I think I should print this up for a handout. Let's see if I have it. On each other, symmetrical objects can be mirrored. Symmetrical objects can be copied into place. So think about this as half the work and then to make the whole. And this one can be, you can make one of them and then rotate this wing part to create the other one, right? So these are geometrics teach you to simplify and to move things by copying, mirroring, duplicating, array, all the fun tools that you can use to make your work faster. 7.4 is the T clip. You don't have to do the C, you're going to do the T. Okay, and instructions, there are video instructions, or you can, there's only a drawing on page 139 of the T clip. But there is something on the web for the T clip in AutoCAD if you want to go that route. Go back, let's take our attendance for the day.